Hello children, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter from your Beehive book Prose lesson number 4, and the name of the lesson is The Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is all about Albert Einstein. The title of the chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, it refers to Albert Einstein. As we see, he was a great scientist. Moreover, this chapter is a short biography of his, where they highlight some of his qualities. Also, this chapter shows Albert Einstein's interest in maths and physics and his ordinary human attribute. Children, further we'll be seeing in this chapter how Albert Einstein can be called as a truly beautiful mind person. This chapter may let you know or wonder how a scientist's mind can be beautiful. Yes, it's really to think. How can anyone call a scientist's mind beautiful? This is because in this lesson we get to know about another aspect of his life and what it is. His other side, that he believes in humanity. Moreover, he advocates world peace, non-violence his entire life. Now children, it's very true. The person who advocates or who says or speaks about peace, about non-violence, is somewhere his heart and his mind is beautiful. Right. So children, that's why the title refers to him, The Truly Beautiful Mind. Now we'll be seeing the life of Albert Einstein. We see that he was born in the year 1879 and he was born in German city of Ulm. Until the age of 2, we see he faced a lot of difficulties, and when he was year of 2.5 years, he could not speak properly. We see that when he began speaking, he spoke every word twice. So by looking at this, we see his classmates, they used to laugh on him, they used to bully him. Moreover, his mother also thought that he was crazy because of his abnormal size of head. And his headmasters of his school, they used to regard him as a stupid person and he's good for nothing. And they used to say that this person, Albert, he's not going to have any success in his life. Yes, children, it's very sorrowful. But he proved everyone wrong, and we know the results. It has come to us. Now, we'll be seeing when he was 6 years old, on his mother's insistence, he learned to play violin and he became a skillful violinist. Moreover, we see his family shifted from Munich when he was 15, but there he feels uncomfortable with the strict discipline of the school, so he left the school. He did not like to be under the strictness of someone. But later we see, after completing his schooling education, he gets admission in the University of Zurich because the atmosphere of the university was more liberal and they accept new ideas and concepts. And always Albert, he wanted to explore himself to the entire world and show what he can do it. Now, beside, he has more interest in physics and maths. At the university, he met a student, Maniva Merrick. Maniva Merrick, we see and we talk about her that she was equally clever and intelligent as Albert Einstein. Afterwards, we see they get married and they get 2 sons. But unluckily, their marriage didn't last and they split in the year 1919. Subsequently, children, we see after finishing his education, Albert worked as a technical expert in the patent office at Berlin, and also he secretly worked on his ideas on relativity, as you all will be aware of his famous relativity theory. He put on the papers on the special theory of relativity, which follows by the world popular quotation that is E is equals to mc square. This gave a absolutely new definition to the concept of gravity. Also, this theory makes him famous to the entire world. Now, during the solar eclipse in the year 1919, his theory came out to be accurate. His theory came out to be right in front of the people. And when Nazis came to power in Germany, we see he migrated to USA. He did this because he did not want his research and findings to be used as destruction. He did not wanted his research to go in a negative way. Further, when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission in the year 1938, we see he was the first person to write the American president about the danger of atomic bomb. Now, we see moreover in the year 1945, when America thrown down the atomic bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was deeply hurt. Yes, children, why he was deeply hurt? Because he did not wanted violence. He did not wanted crime. He did not wanted hurting people. Also, he wrote a letter to the United Nations for the formation of world government, so that we see it can prevent the recurrence of such destruction. And in the last days, we see he spent most of his time in politics advocating world peace and democracy. The great scientist, we see he died in the year 1955 when just he was 76 years old. So children, we see that when he was a child, he was neglected, he was laughed, he was bullied. Everyone used to think that he is useless. But in spite of having so many flaws, he did not give up. He became whatever he wanted to do. He kept working on his goals. So the moral, what we learn from this lesson is that it is not very important to show the world that what you are doing. Always we need to work hard in silence and let your success be the notice. Thank you.